I will run.
Hello guys, hello Finland, hello Philippines, and hello sa mga kamananahe out there. Okay, it's been a while that I didn't make videos because I was busy as usual. But today, I decided to show you how to make a simple gown, a lady's gown, if you're planning to go out and you don't have time to go to the store and you cannot decide what to wear. So why not make gown for yourself? Yeah. So today that's our project. So before we start, please I'm asking you a favor. If you could please subscribe. My name is Edna Lopez and hit the bell button para po ma-notify kayo sa mga videos natin gagawin at sa mga nag-subscribe at nag-comment, nanood ng videos, nag-share. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much and God bless us. Okay, so let's start. I have a stretchy fabric in here. And then a scissor, your measurement, and pins. Of course, your thread and your sewing machine. And this is a project for beginners. So let's start now. First, measure your half of your body, shoulder to underbust. Bust line, underbust. I'm not giving you exact measurement because we have a different type of body. So this is giving you idea how to take your body measurement. Underbust to the floor, how long would you like to your gown? Fold your fabric. We will cut one side of our skirt. As you can see, I put pin already. That's our underbust. Then underbust to your hip. Your hip measurement. Then underbust to the floor. How long would you like to your gown? So bust line, your hip, and then the how long. Now we cut from the top. You need two of these. We cut the 7/2, or I cut the second half of the skirt. Now we have two pieces of the skirt. Please take your pattern. If you don't have this pattern, please go back to my video. I do have some tutorial for this pattern. Shoulder to half of your body, underbust. You can already decide if you want to cut it this way. It's okay. But for me, I cut it with the pattern. So then later I will show you the easy way or technique to how to get the shoulder strap. Please ignore my grammar. Just focus on video. It's difficult for me to speak English, but I'm trying hard. I hope you can understand what I'm talking about. So this is our first pair. We need 4 pieces of this. 2 for the lining and 2 for the top. There you go. Now we have 4 pieces. We're going to stitch this part, but first we do that, we cut the strap. We going to cut the fabric in the bias style. If you can sew thin strap, it's better. But if you guys have difficulties to cut the strap thin, then it's up to you how wide you would like. Now we're working now with our strap. So folded. What you can do is close the one end of the strap and the other one is open, so we can use that later to put inside out. Make sure you clean the end. Now we use the barbecue stick. Then pull, pull, pull. There you go. So we have the clean spaghetti strap. Seamless. The strap, if you can see, is a little bit longer. So we adjust that later, or we cut that. Right side together. First put or sandwich the strap between the fabric and stitch the side part. Turn inside out. Now we have clean neckline and armhole, arm line. It's clean, seamless. Before you attach the other one, try them on first. So how much strap you need, and put pin so you remember where you're going to put the other side to the other top. We just do the same procedure as first top. Put pin in the middle so the fabric doesn't move. My strap is a little bit longer, so but don't worry about that. I will cut later. Again, sew all the side. I did already. Now Put inside out. Then attach them together. But before you do that, we need to put the dart the side. So both side. So fold armhole and side to make mark. So we're going to sew this part. Now I did already, as you can see. It's black, so it's a little bit hard to see, but I hope you see it and I explain it. Even though I can't find the word in English, I'm trying hard. Forgive me. So now we almost finished to the other top. So put pin when we stitch the whole side before we attach to the skirt so it doesn't move. So cut the extra fabric to make it even. Now we work with our skirt. So both sides. I sewn already. Now you stitch the put dart to the skirt. Fold 4 times, then cut to make mark. There you go. So this part, I cut mine and sew about 4 inches. Then because we have a small top, so you just only sew maybe 2 inches both sides. We do this in the front part because our boobs, so it fit very well. Now match together and sew. 4 inches. Reminder guys, this is only for my body measurement. So it's up to you. We have all a different measurement. Put pin so when we sew, it doesn't move and stay together. Now we almost finished. So turn inside out. So as you can see, there you go. Make sure this part it's same line together. So before you finalize the gown and seam all the bottom and the side and zigzag, we almost finished to our gown. So one tip, you might want to consider to try them on before you finalize your gown. Make sure that everything is okay. So let's try them on. Voila! This is our gown. This is my gown. I hope you guys enjoy our tutorial for today. And in the future, you can put slit like I did in the first picture. And I will try my shoes so you can see it better. Thank you guys for watching. Guys, thank you so much and thank you for staying with me. I hope you enjoy our tutorial for today. And see you guys next time. Stay safe. God bless.